Vitamin K. Introduction. Which one of the following is a result of vitamin K deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. Blood loss. 2. Weak bones. 3. Both 1 and 2. Correct. Vitamin K deficiency may result in blood loss and weak bones. Which one of the following groups is at risk for vitamin K deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. People with digestive disorders. 2. People being treated with chronic antibiotic therapy. 3. Both 1 and 2. Correct. People with digestive disorders and people being treated with chronic antibiotic therapy are at risk for vitamin K deficiency. If you are taking warfarin, it is important to keep your vitamin K intake as consistent as possible. Select true or false. Correct. Warfarin works by decreasing the activity of vitamin K. This lengthens the time it takes for a clot to form. Because of this, it is important to keep your vitamin K intake as consistent as possible. Thank you for using Explain.